Welcome to my YouTube channel. Whether you are here for the first time or you're one of my loyal subscribers, I'm so glad you've joined me today. This channel is all about insert your niche or focus area where we dive deep into a specific topics or content you cover. I'm passionate about bringing you content that's not just informative, but also engaging and inspiring. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exciting videos I have planned. We are building an incredible community here, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. For my returning viewers, thank you for your ongoing support. You're the reason I keep creating and pushing boundaries. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's video. I promise you won't want to miss what's coming up next. In this video I will present you the Kilimanjaro Mount and what I am going to guide you in this journey of Kilimanjaro. I will guide you to know best time to visit Mount Kilimanjaro. Best time to visit Mount Kilimanjaro. The best time to visit Mount Kilimanjaro generally falls within two main seasons. 1. Dry season, June to October. Pros, this is the most popular time to climb Kilimanjaro because the weather is relatively stable with minimal rainfall. Clear skies and sunny days provide stunning views and the trails are less muddy, making for easier trekking. Cons, because this is the peak season, the trails can be crowded and prices may be higher due to the demand. 2. Short dry season, January to February. Pros, this is another good period for climbing, with relatively warm temperatures and clear skies. It's less crowded than the June to October season, which might offer a more peaceful experience. Cons, there's a slightly higher chance of rain compared to the main dry season, but overall, conditions are still favorable. 3. Rainy seasons, March to May and November to mid-December. Pros, if you're looking for solitude, the rainy season is much less crowded. The scenery can be lush and green, especially in the rainforest zones. Cons, the trails can be slippery and muddy, and visibility may be reduced due to cloud cover. The increased risk of rain and colder temperatures at higher altitudes make the climb more challenging. Booking your visit. Visiting Mount Kilimanjaro typically requires a guided tour. Here's how you can go about it. 1. Choose a route. Routes, decide on the route that best suits your preferences and fitness level. Popular routes include Marangu, easier, with hut accommodation, Mashame, scenic but more challenging, and Lamusho, scenic and less crowded. Duration, the climb usually takes between 5 to 9 days, depending on the route and your acclimatization schedule. 2. Select a tour operator. Tour companies, numerous local and international tour operators offer guided climbs. It's crucial to choose a reputable operator that prioritizes safety, provides good equipment, and treats their guides and porters fairly. Inclusions, most tours include permits, park fees, guides, porters, meals, and accommodation, either in huts or tents. Flights to Tanzania, visas, and tips for the crew are usually not included. 3. Book your flights and accommodation. Flights, fly into Kilimanjaro International Airport, JRO, located near the town of Moshi, the main base for Kilimanjaro climbs. Accommodation, stay in Moshi or Arusha before and after your climb. These towns offer a range of accommodations, from budget to luxury. 4. Prepare for the climb. Training, while Kilimanjaro doesn't require technical climbing skills, it's still a physically demanding trek. Engage in regular cardio, strength training, and hiking to prepare your body. Packing, essential items include layered clothing for different temperatures, sturdy hiking boots, a sleeping bag, trekking poles, and personal items like sunscreen, a first aid kit, and high-energy snacks. Health considerations, consult your doctor about any health concerns and vaccinations. Altitude sickness is a risk, so it's important to be aware of the symptoms and to climb slowly to allow proper acclimatization. Duration of stay. Total time required, plan for at least 7 to 10 days for the climb itself, plus additional days for travel, acclimatization, and possibly some rest after the descent. If you wish to explore more of Tanzania, such as safaris or a visit to Zanzibar, add extra time accordingly. Entry requirements. Visa, most visitors need a visa to enter Tanzania, which can often be obtained on arrival or online in advance. Vaccinations, yellow fever vaccination is required if you're arriving from a country with a risk of yellow fever. Other recommended vaccinations include hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and typhoid. Local customs and etiquette. Respect local culture, dress modestly, especially in rural areas, and be mindful of local customs. Engaging with local guides and porters is a wonderful way to learn more about Tanzanian culture. Visiting Mount Kilimanjaro is a well-structured experience that requires planning but is accessible to most travelers. Choose the time that best suits your preferences, book through a reputable operator, and prepare thoroughly to ensure a safe and memorable journey. Whether you're climbing for the challenge, the views, or the cultural experience, Kilimanjaro offers an adventure like no other. Preparing and training for Kilimanjaro. How should I train for Mount Kilimanjaro climb? Maintaining a reasonable level of fitness is crucial to climb Kilimanjaro. However, summiting Kilimanjaro doesn't require athletic prowess. A healthy average would be adequate. As a guideline, we suggest assessing whether you can comfortably hike 8 to 10 kilometers, 5 to 6.2 miles. If you can do it, then you are fit enough to climb Mount Kilimanjaro. Great. Keep training until you can confidently jog 4 to 5 kilometers, 2.5 to 3.1 miles. Good training programs are available at the Nike Running Club app. Swimming is an excellent complement. Swimming strengthens your entire body and improves your heart and lung endurance. This makes it a great addition to running. The first primarily focuses on leg endurance. Swimming takes it further by engaging the arms, core, and legs at the same time. Water buoyancy is also good for people who want to protect their joints while exercising. Finally, it is great if you have any rural areas nearby with rough hiking trails. Aim for longer ones, ideally in the 10 to 15 kilometers, 6 to 10 miles range. Remember, most of the Kilimanjaro hike will be uphill. So, training over longer distances in the countryside will prepare you for the roof of Africa. You may also check our Kilimanjaro training plan. It's useful for building your stamina and fitness for the climb. When are the rainy and the dry seasons in Tanzania? Tanzania has 2 rainy seasons and 2 dry seasons. The short rainy season begins in early November and lasts until late December. It is followed by the dry season, which lasts until mid-March. Then the season of long rains begins, ending in mid-June. You should consider the northern slopes to climb Kilimanjaro during the rainy season. According to the data we received from the Tanzania Meteorological Authority, this part of the mountain receives 5 times less rainfall. Good Kilimanjaro routes to choose from are Rongai, Northern Circuit, and Marangu. One should also remember that the period from June to October in East Africa is marked by cold nights. At the high altitudes of Kilimanjaro, the nights will be pretty chilly. Make sure you have everything from our packing list.
Are you looking for entertaining and educational content to watch? Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for a variety of interesting videos on topics you love. Join our growing community and never miss out on new uploads. Hit the subscribe button now. Discover new ways to learn and be entertained by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Engage with like-minded viewers and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't miss out, click the subscribe button and be part of our exciting YouTube community.